Okay, for the question 7, okay, we have a set of data. Okay, we know this is going to be a time series question. So, question 1, we need to use the table to find to 3 decimal places the index for October 2010. Okay, so remember the formula of index. Okay, so October 2010, I have 36. Okay, the average is 24. So the value divided by the average is going to be the index. Okay, so 36 divided by 24 is going to be the index, which is 1.5. Okay, done. Okay, now the next one, I need to find the seasonal index. Okay, the seasonal index for October. So just remember, for seasonal index, okay, we need to find the index of all Octobers for each year and add them up divided by 4. Basically, the average of all the index in October of different year. So for 2010, it's going to be 1.5. Okay, plus what's happened for 2011, which is going to be 22 divided by the average. 22 divided by 23.9, okay, plus the index for 2012, which is 34, divided by 23.5, okay, plus the index for 14 divided by 20.2. So make sure, okay, you add all them up and divide by 4 to find the average index. So you find that it's going to be 1.14. Now, when we find the seasonal index as 1.14, it means, okay, it means that, well, you get 4 marks over this. Oh, sorry, you get 2 marks if you write this down. But the seasonal index means, okay, the number of fatalities, I think it's fatalities. Now let me come back. Road trauma. Yeah, the number of fatalities on October is generally 14% higher than the average, than the yearly average, or it is generally 1.14 times the yearly average. Okay, that's the meaning of the seasonal index of October. Okay, if you find the seasonal index of April, the value is different. Maybe it's less than the average, maybe it's more than the average. But in this case, the seasonal index for October tells me this. Okay, now then we need to find the deseasonalized value. Now, if you don't have all this in your notebook, write it down. Okay, the deseasonalized value is basically, okay, your value divided by the seasonal index. Okay, for October 2012, October 2012 is 34 in October. So I'm going to have 34 divided by 1.14, which is the deseasonalized value, which is going to be 30 fatalities. Okay, be careful with this, 30 fatalities. Okay. Then the next step, what does the seasonal index of your calculation in part A tells us? Okay, then, well, I said that before. Okay, it means the fatality in October is generally or approximately 1.14 times the yearly average, the yearly monthly average. Okay, you get 1 mark for this. Then we go to question 8.